Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. I keep saying this, the channel is growing each and every day, and I want to say thanks to everybody. Just keep supporting the channel, keep liking, keep watching the videos, keep commenting. It means a whole lot to me. Now, as you can see, the past two videos, I went to Buffalo, New York to shoot some videos for you guys, so you guys can enjoy all those important videos. As you can see, Tisha was in the video. She's a YouTuber. She also have a business, and I went there. We're supposed to meet up for about a year now. Finally meet up in Buffalo. Everything was good, even though she was sick. We shoot the video. Now, shooting the video with the camera and everything, I had some camera issue. Basically, the audio for the camera, the audio that we plugged in and attached the microphone to, was giving problems. We didn't get any audio in, so all that video for 45 minutes to an hour of content, and that content went down the drain. I was so upset. I was like, oh Jesus, why? So we now have to reschedule that. I have to go back to Buffalo so we can meet up again and shoot that video all over again. But before, but I just want you guys to know that I know that we could have more vlogs, but that is the reason why. So I only get 2 vlogs out of it, 2 travel vlogs. I see you guys watching them, commenting, so that's really important to me. But I want to do a giveaway to my jelly bean. Now, what I have in my hand is a Yoni steam. So it's a majestic detox called a Yoni steam. It is for the jelly bean. So gingerbread is not for you, it's for females. So basically what it does is basically steam. So you boil water, you put it in the water, and as a female you go over it. You sit over it for like 30 minutes or so. And it basically helps with womb impurities. It draw down all those stuff or the vagina, helps to clear it up, helps with infertility and stuff like that. Tisha has this on her Instagram page, which I insert here, so you guys can go over there and find it. And I'm giving away this. How to win this Yoni steam? You basically have to tell me which city in Canada she is from. So the first person to tell me which city in Canada she is from will win this Yoni steam. I'll ship it out to you guys. So I want you guys to go over there, support her business. Her YouTube channel is down, unfortunately. I needed to come back to Tisha because she's great, but go over there, support, on her Instagram page. If you want to purchase, she'll have all the information there for you to purchase. The Yoni steam, she also have other products for females and stuff like that. So go over there. Remember how to win the free Yoni steam. Tell me which city in Canada she is from. You guys might know her from YouTube, some of you might not, and if you go over there and watch the last video, then you basically know who I'm talking about, and yeah, you can win this. Now, the next thing that I'm going to advertise, this is an advertisement video. No, the next thing I'm going to advertise my t-shirt. Me and I go fight. See? And that you pick t-shirt. No, my t-shirts are on sale, My t-shirts are on sale and people not buying my t-shirt, and I don't understand why. Why you guys not supporting the black boy? Why you guys look how much black and fatter, and why you guys not supporting me? Come on guys, support the ghetto youth. Go over there and buy a t-shirt just to support the channel. Like, I'm looking for some money to pay for my camera, so that's why I'm selling t-shirt, keeping it real. So you guys go over there and support the t-shirt. Right there, nice, have different color. ends, stuff like that. They have different colors, you know, hoodies, all type of stuff. Go over there and support the t-shirt. It really means a lot to me. I just get a little profit from it. Just go over there and support the shirt. All the links will be down in the comment section, down in the description. I'll put it on the screen, I'll put it all over, so you guys can click on it and support and enjoy. So yeah, this is a promotion video. So remember, to win the Yoni Steam, you have to be a jelly bean, which is a female. Also support the channel. Go over there, buy the t-shirts. Very nice t-shirts. At that you pick t-shirt is a Jamaican slang. And yeah, you know, support the Ghetto Youth. And thank you guys. You give it a thumbs up, you know, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you in next video. So later, my God, Allah, you later, people, my God, not be a foolish material. So, my God.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known.